Hello everyone. Today, we're uncovering a true unsung hero in our health journey, manganese, or Mn. You might be familiar with calcium for bones and insulin for blood sugar, but there's a hidden key, a powerful catalyst, that profoundly impacts both your bone density and how well your body manages sugar. We're talking about manganese and its vital role in ensuring your body's structural and metabolic integrity. Many of us work hard on our health. You take your calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D. You cut carbs, you watch your diet. Yet, sometimes, the pain persists. Have you ever wondered why your bone density scans don't show much improvement, even with all those supplements? That's what we call the bone paradox. Or, despite your best efforts with low-carb diets, why do blood sugar levels remain unstable, leading to those frustrating energy crashes? That's the sugar paradox. The truth is, it's not always about having the raw materials, like calcium, or the fuel, like food. Often, the missing piece is the labor force, the essential workers that make everything happen. And that labor force is often led by manganese, the site foreman of your human body. Manganese is a trace mineral, meaning we need very little of it. But don't let its small quantity fool you. Without it, your body's critical construction sites like bone building and its energy plants like those managing blood sugar can effectively shut down. It's truly amazing that a variation of just 1 milligram of manganese can make all the difference in your bone density and insulin sensitivity. Think of it like the crucial iron rebar that strengthens cement, or the tiny spark plug that ignites an engine. Small, yet absolutely essential. Let's talk about bones. We often think of bones as just big chunks of calcium, like pure cement. But that's not the whole story. To be truly strong and resilient, your bones need structural integrity, much like ferroconcrete. Calcium provides the compressive strength, like the cement, helping your bones bear weight. But just cement crumbles. What gives bones their flexibility and tensile strength, preventing them from becoming brittle? That's collagen, acting like the steel rebar. The reality is, you can't build a strong, flexible skyscraper with just cement. Without the rebar, the entire structure is unstable and can collapse. Your bones are no different. So, how does manganese tie into this? Well, manganese is the specific battery, or activator, for an enzyme called prolidase. This enzyme is crucial because it recycles and rebuilds your collagen matrix. Essentially, it's the glue of your body. Think of it: no manganese means no prolidase activity, which means no structural integrity for your bones. Without this vital activation, calcium supplements might not even go where you want them to go. Instead of strengthening your bones, calcium can sometimes end up calcifying your arteries, simply because the collagen matrix isn't there to properly hold it in your bones. This is a critical insight for both bone and heart health. Now, let's consider your joints, the cushion factory that keeps you moving comfortably. Our goal is to have healthy cartilage that acts like a proteoglycan water cushion, absorbing shock and keeping your joints happy. You might take supplements like glucosamine and chondroitin, and those are excellent raw materials. But here's the crucial part: manganese is the factory manager that takes those raw materials and physically turns them into those shock-absorbing proteoglycans. So, if your factory manager manganese isn't present, even the most expensive joint supplements might just sit there, unprocessed, and your factory stalls. This can be a game changer for joint health and mobility. Moving to metabolism, manganese acts as the metabolic spark plug. We eat carbohydrates and fats to create energy. This conversion process requires a chain of enzymes, and manganese serves as the essential cofactor, or the spark plug, for these enzymes to work. Without this spark, your fuel, the glucose and fats from your food, isn't efficiently burned. Instead, it accumulates in your blood, leading to high blood sugar levels, while your cells, paradoxically, starve for the energy they need. So, if you're feeling sluggish or struggling with blood sugar, consider if your metabolic engine is getting its vital spark. Manganese also plays a crucial role as the guardian of the cell. Inside your cells, especially in the mitochondria where energy is produced, a natural process creates toxic, exhaust fumes, called reactive oxygen species, or free radicals. To combat this danger, your body has an amazing defense mechanism: manganese superoxide dismutase, or MN-SOD. This is your body's premier antioxidant enzyme, working right inside your mitochondria to neutralize these harmful free radicals. There's a clear link here to diabetes. A manganese deficiency can lead to an inactive MN-SOD, causing mitochondrial damage and contributing to insulin resistance. In fact, studies show that individuals with diabetes often have significantly lower manganese levels than healthy individuals. Protecting your cells is key to long-term vitality. When it comes to manganese, we need to follow what we call the Goldilocks rule: not too little, not too much, but just right. Manganese is a trace mineral, so while deficiency can lead to structural weakness and metabolic issues, too much can also be problematic. High-dose supplementation, especially over 10 mg per day long-term, can carry neurotoxicity risks. In functional medicine, our prescription is always food first. Nature provides manganese in safe, regulated amounts that your body can easily manage. If you are supplementing, for instance with a multivitamin, typically 2 to 5 mg is sufficient. Always consult a professional before considering any high-dose therapy. So, how can you ensure you're getting enough of this vital mineral naturally? Let's look at the manganese menu, some of the top sources. Shellfish, like mussels, clams, and oysters, are superfoods for manganese. Many spices, including cloves, cinnamon, and turmeric, are incredibly rich sources. Nuts, such as pecans, hazelnuts, and walnuts, are excellent for a healthy snack. Don't forget green and black tea, and even a bit of dark chocolate can contribute. Nature provides manganese in these delicious foods in safe amounts that your body knows how to handle beautifully. You don't need to make drastic changes to see a structural impact. Consider these small, easy adjustments to your routine. For a weekend ritual, a bowl of mussel soup can recharge your manganese levels for days. As a daily snack, simply grab a handful of pecans or hazelnuts. And for a clever kitchen hack, easily add cloves, cinnamon, or ginger to your cooking. These spices are incredibly dense mineral sources. The result? Your bones get the rebar they need for strength and flexibility, and your metabolism gets the spark it needs for energy and vitality. It's about small, smart choices creating big health benefits. To sum it all up, let's consider the small screw theory. Imagine building a magnificent structure that requires thousands of tons of concrete and steel. But if the small, crucial screws holding the frame together are missing, the entire structure becomes unstable and can crumble. Manganese is that small screw for your body. It's the critical difference, sometimes just 1 mg, between a body that struggles with bone density and blood sugar, and a body that efficiently rebuilds and thrives. So, don't just stack the bricks. Make sure you're securing the structure, one vital, small screw at a time, for a robust and active life.